No printer? No problem. Here's a real way to make 150 bucks in just 24 hours, even if you never ship a thing yourself. The secret? Print on demand. All you need is a phone, some creativity, and a few minutes to get started. First, sign up with a platform like Printify or Printful. They handle the printing, shipping, and even customer service, so you never have to touch inventory. Then, connect your Printify or Printful account to an online storefront. Etsy if you want built-in traffic, or Shopify if you want to build your own brand. Now, here's where the money comes in. Make t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, or even phone cases with viral quotes, trending memes, or bold designs. You don't have to be an artist. Use free templates or remix ideas from what's hot on TikTok and Instagram. Think funny slogans, motivational sayings, or graphics that grab attention in 2 seconds. Upload your designs, set your prices, and your store is live. But you can't just wait for sales. Promote your products with short, catchy TikToks or Instagram reels. Film yourself wearing your own merch or use lifestyle mock-ups that show off the designs. Use trending sounds and hashtags to boost your reach. The key? Show off your product in a way that makes people want to share and buy on the spot. You never touch the product. No boxes piling up at home, no packing tape. Every order gets printed and shipped automatically. All you do is upload, promote, and watch the orders hit your account. Some creators make their first sale within hours. One viral video can bring in a rush of new orders, and that's how you can easily make 150 bucks, sometimes even more, within your first day. Ready to stop scrolling and start selling? Print on demand is the easiest side hustle you haven't tried yet. Start your hustle today. Your future self will thank you.